Hi guys, I'm your Hush Puppy. So today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to make a cheeseburger game. So last time I taught y'all how to make a shooting game. So now is how to make a cheeseburger game using makecode arcade. Okay, so you have to click new project, then type in cheeseburger, which is your project name. So it's cheeseburger. After that, click create. Then you all will see this page pop up. So this page will pop up and y'all will see the on start block is already over there. So now y'all have to go to the scene drawer. Y'all see that scene over there, right? You have to go to that scene drawer. Sorry, it's a bit laggy. Yep. So y'all need to go to the scene drawer and click set background color to. Then drag that inside the space in the on start block. After that, click that gray color circle over there and change it into light blue color like this. Okay, so now in your screen over there you all should see that the screen changed into light blue background. So the next thing you're supposed to do is go to the sprite drawer and drag the set my sprite to that block in below the set background color block, and after that you have to click the gray color square over there, this one, and go to gallery to choose your sprite. Well, I chose burger at first, but then I wanted to change it to duck. Yeah, so y'all can choose any sprite y'all want because this is the player, but for the food y'all have to choose burger. I accidentally chose burger thinking that this was the food part, but I wanted to choose duck, thought that was cute. Yeah, so I chose duck already. So now what I am supposed to do is I need to change the my sprite into a duck. So I have to click rename variable and type in duck. Then have to click OK, which then the name will change. And after that, you'll see the duck on the screen over there. Next, you have to go to control drawer and you have to click the first block over there. The first block, and then you have to put it below the set my sprite block. After that, my sprite you have to change it to duck so that there's no error when you're coding. Okay, yep. So now y'all see that the duck disappears from the screen like that, so we'll adjust that later, but y'all can move the duck around with that part, or y'all can use the arrow key, but I recommend y'all use the cursor because the arrow key is a bit hard for y'all to follow up, so I recommend y'all to use the cursor. Okay, yeah. So the next thing is you have to go to the sprite drawer and select the second block again, or you can duplicate it by right clicking it, but I just chose it again. This time the sprite is supposed to be burger, so it's either this burger or the other type of burger, which is this one. This one is too comical, so that's why I chose this one. Thought that it was like more realistic. Okay, so now your burger appeared on the screen and you have to change the player into food. Next, you have to do the same thing as you did just now. You have to click my sprite and then click rename variable and change it to burger. Sorry about the background noise, guys, it's the fan. Okay, okay guys, so now it's like this. So the next step which you're supposed to do is you have to go to sprite and drag all the way down. I not say drag, go all the way down and drag this on sprite of kind player block down. This is like the starting block, guys. So this one's supposed to be below the on start block. Okay, and Yeah, so now you all have to change the sprite, but before that you all have to go to info and click change score by 1. Then after that you have to go to info and click set score by 0 and just drag both of them inside the on sprite of kind player box. Okay, then the next thing you're supposed to do is, actually the set score to 0, it's supposed to go on top of the set background color too. I placed it at the wrong area, guys, sorry. So now you have to go to the sprite drawer and click set my sprite position to X, that one. Then after that, the my sprite, you have to change it to duck. Sorry, burger. It's burger, not duck. Sorry. It's burger. Okay, so this is how it looks like so far. Now you have to go to the math drawer and click pick random, and you have to place that beside the X. Yeah, you have to drag that beside the X, and you have to duplicate it by right clicking. So you right click the purple color block and duplicate like this. After that, drag it beside the Y also. So it's both the same thing. Now the 10, the one beside the X, you have to change it to 160, and the other one you have to change it to 120, like this. Okay, so this is how your coding looks like so far. Next, you have to go to the info drawer and click start countdown 10 seconds. You can choose anytime you want, but I just chose 10 seconds. I just let it remain. Then after that, let me see. So now we are going to do the stay in screen part. Okay. So yeah. So if you all stay at one area for a long time, you all have a game over, and the duck would have to chase behind the burger. But if you all stay at one position for very long, then you all lose the game. So now you have to click set my sprite stay in screen. You have to drag that below the set my sprite to burger, and you have to click on. After that, you have to click duck. Then the same thing for burger also, and it's supposed to be below this blue color block. Duplicate and then change the duck to burger. Yep, like that. So there's only a bit more coding to do, and we are almost done. So now you have to go to game drawer and click set dialog text, that one, and you have to bring it over here below the duck, set my sprite to duck. You have to bring it there, and you have to change the text to move my sprite or something. Yeah, so let me just adjust that. So now over here you have to type move using arrow keys, like that. So this enables you to use your arrow keys to move the duck around, and you have to duplicate the block again. There's a lot of duplicating to do over here, guys. So now your stay in screen below, I accidentally turned it off, but I didn't notice that. Oops, sorry guys, that was my volume. So it's supposed to be this one. You have to change it to collect the burger before the timer ends, and an exclamation mark. Okay, but the stay in screen part for the duck, guys, when doing the coding I didn't notice that it was turned off because I accidentally turned it off, and I didn't notice that. So when I started to play the game like this, then I noticed that the duck moved out of the screen like this. I mean, I went to chase the burger. Then I realized that the duck moved out of the screen, so I turned it on later. So you see, the duck is chasing behind the burger, but the burger keeps moving away from the duck. So this is the game you have to do. Looks like this. Okay. See, this is when I realized, guys. Yep, I just turned on the stay in screen part and it turns gray before y'all can start playing it. Okay guys, so actually we are done. So this is how the game looks like, and yeah. So y'all, like I said, y'all can use the cursor and the arrow keys to move it around. Okay. Yes. Yeah guys, so it looks like this, and if y'all stay at the same position for a very long time, then y'all will lose the game. And let me show you all the coding blocks we have, guys. So those those move my sprite with buttons. Those parts y'all no need to do anything. Let the velocity remain as it is. Don't adjust the velocity or else y'all might go wrong in the game. So these are how many blocks you should have in your code. These are the number of blocks, and this is how the code looks like itself. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment and share, and I'll meet you in my next video. Okay, bye.